Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 43 AMG. This one's in obsidian black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch wheels. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the side. A black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear climate controls. Trailer hitch. AMG GLE 43 badging. Power liftgate. A clean set of floor mats. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Premium 2 package with blind spot assist. Adaptive high beam assist. Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, AMG illuminated door sill, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 59,937 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 43 AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.